So a very good evening to all our viewers. So this is Dr. Arun once again, and I'm really fortunate this time to have three young surgeons with me. No, sorry, four young surgeons with me this time, who have come to learn hair transplant surgery. Guys, I really, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you guys for coming in here, spending time with me, spending 3 days with me. Let us just take as our normal procedure. What we do is, after we teach, we try to understand from you guys what how you felt about the workshop, how was it, and things like that. And so today we are done. Today is the third day of our hair restoration workshop. So we will start with Dr. Gaurav. Dr. Gaurav is a maxillofacial surgeon from Junagadh, Gujarat. And let us ask Dr. Gujarat, Dr. Gaurav from Gujarat, how his experience was and what did he feel about the whole process of 3 days. How did it go? Was his expectations met or not? Let us try and understand it from Dr. Gaurav. And guys, Dr. Gaurav is from Junagadh. So if anybody wants to get a hair transplant done in and around Junagadh and they want to visit the Gir hair lion safari, you want to visit, you're most welcome to kind of see him, and then he would be more than happy to help you with your hair transplant as well as
Your safari.
safari also. He would be more than happy to help you out. Okay.
So I came all the way from Junagadh, and it is totally worth it to attend this hair transplant workshop. हमें मतलब काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज रहते हैं जो सिर्फ आपको ऑब्जर्व करना रहता है, बट यहाँ पे टोटली डिफरेंट, पूरा ही सिस्टम चेंज है. यू विल गेट हैंड्स ऑन, और आपको मतलब व्हाट इज हेयर, वहाँ से लेके आपको हेयर की जो इटियोलॉजी, जो एम्ब्रियोलॉजी, हेयर फॉल, जो बेसिक से लेके एडवांस तक, आप कुछ भी सर ने बाकी नहीं रखा है. थैंक यू सो मच सर. बाल की खाल निकाल दी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम सर्जरी, क्या क्या पोस्ट ऑप केयर, प्री ऑप इवेल्युएशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाउ टू मैनेज द पेशेंट, हाउ टू काउंसिल द पेशेंट, कौन सी मेडिकेशंस यूज करनी है. सर मतलब आप कुछ बाकी नहीं रखा है कि हम क्वेश्चन पूछे आपसे कि सर ये समझा दो. तो for all the maxillofacial surgeons, general surgeons, those who want to practice hair transplant, you must come to the sir, and must at least visit sir for hair transplant workshop and aesthetic workshop. He is doing very well in aesthetic and hair transplant, so I'm totally satisfied, sir. Over satisfied. So that's it.
Chalo, thank you so much, Dr. Gaurav. So, people, viewers, if you want to get your hair transplant done, you should visit Junagadh and you can go to Gir. Okay, now we have another young maxillofacial surgeon all the way from Odisha. She is here for the last 3 days. Of course, I think this is going to be learning and pleasure visit also. So, Dr. Chinmay is from Bhubaneswar. So, guys, if you really want to visit and get your hair transplant done, Dr. Chinmay is there in Bhubaneswar. So, she can be of help. Puri विजिट करवा सकते हो लोगों को फॉर श्योर. Okay, so what do you have to say about the workshop?
Sir, I just want to say it's very much worth it. Sir, my biggest thing जो मैं लेके जा रही हूँ सर, मैंने जो भी डाउट पूछा सर क्लियर्ड एवरीथिंग. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मेरा मन में है जो सर क्लियर नहीं किया. सर पूरा शुरू से लेके कैसे हेयर ग्रोथ होता है, क्यों हेयर फॉल होता है, हर रीज़न, हर कॉन्सेप्ट सब कुछ अच्छे से क्लियर किया. मैं ये बस कहना चाहती हूँ कि कहीं पे मत जाओ, बस यही आ जाओ.
So sweet of you. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Chinmay. Thank you so
and
much.
and I am coming back for aesthetic course
Wow.
to sir only.
Me too.
Yeah.
Chalo, that is really nice of you. And thank you so much
Yeah,
for
sir.
coming in, spending time with us. I hope to see you guys doing
Yes,
a
yes,
lot
sir.
of hair transplants. And so I have a oculoplasty surgeon with me, Dr. Kamlesh, who is here from Bhopal. So guys from Bhopal, Dr. Kamlesh is there. So he is trying to venture into cosmetic surgery. Of course, he is an oculoplastic surgery surgeon. So he does a lot of blepharoplasty, ptosis repair. Now I don't know. He has to say how he's going to start his journey with hair transplant.
Hi, I am Dr. Kamlesh Kumar from Bhopal. I came here to learn the hair transplant, and when I come here, so there's a lot of means previously also I got a lot of training from the aesthetic and other thing from the different part of India. But here the experience is totally different. Dr. Arun sir is not only a very good surgeon as well as teacher, but he's means very supportive type of teacher who clear all the doubts means whatever you ask they give a means he give a thoroughly answer and here it is the family atmosphere, you can't hesitate means you can ask anything without any doubts or without any hesitation. So there is a great experience to hear, and I must say ki it is just like a you learn in a family atmosphere. So it is the biggest thing for the students ki you learn all these things in just like ki you are from some you are seniors who clear your all the doubts without any hesitation. So Dr. Arun is not only a great surgeon, but he is a great person personally. Thank you so much.
मेरा तो आज दिन बन गया. I swear. Thank you so much, Dr. Kamlesh. इतनी तारीफ तो मैं जिंदगी में मेरी बीवी ने भी करी करती मेरे. Anyway, thank you so much, and thank you so much for coming in, sir. It was a pleasure to have you here. And finally, I have with me Dr. Pranali again, who has come from Ahmedabad, again a young surgeon. And let us ask Dr. Pranali how her journey was last 3 days and what is she going to do in future.
Uh, First of all, I would like to say thank you so much to Dr. Arun sir and Dr. Aarti ma'am for teaching us so in brief detail. Like came over here to learn hair transplant and all. But he in 3 days period is like everyone is saying like it's short duration, like no one can do this much of procedures and all. But the idea of him is very nice. He provide us very brief knowledge of theory and all, and then they allow us to do hands on the patient. That is a big part of it, and I learned, and I personally love it the most. Like if you are know everything of theory na, if you not doing patient, it's
Not going to
nothing.
make sense. Yeah.
Yes. So, and basically from UG, my all my wish was like I want to learn from Arun sir.
Oh.
And once I get in oral surgery, like and then I decided that if I want to learn hair transplant and facial aesthetics, I will always go to Arun sir. That was clear in my mind, and today I feel personally it's worth it.
Thank
And
you
thank
so
you
much,
so much
Pranali.
sir for this. You are a best surgeon and best person also,
Arey, so sweet of you. Thank you
because
so much.
not every surgeon has this kind of combination.
Wow. Thank you so much, and thank you guys for all the
Thank you sir.
compliments you guys gave me. I think my day is really made. Really, really. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate that you guys are young. You're just starting your career, so I think it is a good time to venture into this. So you can see how it goes, where it goes, and aesthetic surgeries, aesthetic procedures, hair transplant is not a bad thing at all. It is definitely booming. I know it's a little tedious job, but I think it gives a lot of satisfaction to all our patients. So I think it's definitely a good kind of a procedure to embrace. So you can start this in your practice. And as surgeons, I think we have all the skills to gather it, and we can always take it forward. So I would look forward to see you guys doing the best of your procedure, best of the things in your places, wherever you guys are from. And good luck to you guys, and cheers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.